At ERGIL Group, we support global industries with the capability to manage complex and large-scale industrial projects from engineering to final delivery. Our strength lies not only in manufacturing, but in managing in the complete project flow, understanding technical requirements, coordinating multidisciplinary teams, maintaining quality control, preparing project documentation, and delivering reliable solutions in line with international expectations. With our experience in process equipment, skid systems, advanced surface protection, and rubber lining applications, we provide tailored solutions for demanding industrial environments where safety, durability, and long-term performance are essential. Our production facilities, engineering teams, and project management structure allow us to take part in projects that require high coordination, strict quality standards, and reliable execution. From heavy industrial applications to clean and sensitive sectors, we are able to adapt our capabilities to the specific needs of each project. Today, ERGIL Group is actively involved in industries such as water treatment, energy, chemical processing, and semiconductor-related applications, sectors where precision, traceability, documentation, and quality discipline are critical. With strong know-how, disciplined execution, and proven industrial experience, ERGIL Group is ready to contribute to the next generation of large-scale process and infrastructure projects. ERGIL Group trusts its capability for demanding industrial projects.